in the Ateneo de Manila University's 4-set win over the National University in UAAP Season 81 women's volleyball action. Sunday afternoon at the Araneta Coliseum, 5 different Lady Eagles put up double digits in scoring, with Tolentino and Jules Samonte dropping 13 points each, while Maddie Madayag had 12. Ponggay, Gaston and B. De Leon also chipped in with 10 points each. Behind the Lady Eagles' balanced offensive attack, however, was none other than star setter Deanna Wong, who finished with an impressive 33 excellent sets. All but one of Ateneo's 34 excellent sets came from the hands of the fourth-year playmaker, who was happy to see 5 of her teammates put up good numbers in what would be a Final Four-clinching win. "Personally, I'm so happy na 5 players from us were able to score double digits. Parang nakaka-saya how you can see the team gelling na, how you can see us having teamwork," Wong shared with ABS-CBN Sports following their win. Wong emphasized the importance of teamwork for the Lady Eagles, who have won their last 10 matches. "We put the team first instead of ourselves, so we're helping each other, that's how they were able to score, it's because of the name and Talaga." While it's undeniable that Wong had a major hand in helping 5 players to double-digit scoring, the Cebuana instead put the spotlight on her teammates and credited them for getting the job done. "Sobrang laki and tawala ko in each one of my teammates, and I'm also grateful na they were able to deliver, it's really on the name and Talaga. I'm just there to set up the ball, and it's their job name and to finish, so it's credit to them Talaga," she continued. The Katipunan-based squad is now headed their 10th consecutive postseason appearance and are enjoying their place on the top of the standings with a 10-1 record. Wong maintains, however, that while making the semi-finals is in itself an achievement, it's not their main goal for the season. "It's a great achievement, being in the semi-finals, but the job's not done yet," Wong expressed. "Our ultimate goal is to win the championship, and we'll do whatever it takes. We'll do whatever it takes, we'll do everything